Hey, it's Russ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to put in a stereo in a 2010 Honda CRV. Stick around, take a look, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the air conditioning control out. Just get a screwdriver on each side. Go back. You're going to have to put the shifter out of park in order to get that out. Next thing you want to do is you want to go under here, pull this up, and move it off to the side. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to pop this thing, you pull forward on it to get it loose. You just move it, put it out of the way. You have to turn the ignition on, pull this down. I prefer to go ahead and take it all out of the way. Put it back in park. I take 4 screws out, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Super easy. Okay, now the fun part starts. Bought an install kit. Go buy one of these adapter plugs. Just plugs into the existing harness on your car. You wire the wires together, and then most of the time the colors match. It's kind of dummy proof. These are the connectors that come out of the stereo. This comes with the wiring kit here. This is a Honda, so it does have an antenna with an amplifier. So the blue wire that comes out of the stereo, to turn on an amplifier, you want to power that antenna amplifier with it to pick up a good sound. This will plug into the stereo. And the plug going into the Honda is obviously a little bit different. This is the harness that goes to the backup camera. Pretty simple. You run this down the car, plugs in the back of the stereo. For steering wheel controls, stereo gives you 2 input signals and a ground. This car only has 1 ground, 1 signal. So I'm going to hook those up and we're going to see if everything works. Well, I think we're going to have working steering wheel controls. You go to the setup menu, and once you get into it, it'll be you turn it on and you push steady, and then you'll take it in and you will push the button on the steering wheel, and then you will hold down wherever you want it to program, and it will save it. So I'm down to the last one. I'm going to push the previous, hold this down, success. So I've done mode, previous, next, volume up, and volume down. I'm going to save it.
Work for you. Mike Powell Insurance shops several insurance companies.
Volume up and down, which is great.
Full discounts.
Go to our next channel. Mode. Alright, that's it. That's how you get the steering wheel controls. Hope you have the same luck I did.